Yo, what's good? Stu here, Stu TV. I cover all things blockchain, metaverse, crypto, NFTs, all money maker opportunities in the space. Just making this video. I'm actually just starting a new content series of my crypto market overview breakdown. I'm just going to break down just the overall view of the market, just different opportunities, things that's latest that's going on to the ecosystem, help bridge folks that's interested in getting into crypto and just bridging more folks in, because as the market and catalyst begins to climb, obviously it's going to be on board of new users wanting to get into crypto and wanting to know the inner workings of how it all works, and just giving breakdowns and understandings of the overall economic flow of the space. But let's actually get into it. In the first part of this, we're actually going to look at Bitcoin. So just looking at the Bitcoin price forecast, here's why BTC could reach 75K in June 2024. Bitcoin closed May 2024 at 67,000, reflecting a growth of 19%. Bitcoin regains momentum at the Ethereum ETF show. So they had the Ethereum ETF where they have Fidelity, I think it was Bitwise, Grayscale, a lot of those different institutions or companies being able to have access to be able to now get into the Ethereum spot ETF. So that allows them to get more exposure. That's more liquidity coming into that particular asset. So that's a lot of good news and bullish trends as far as Bitcoin. Looking beyond the price chart appears to attracting an unusual level of demand from bull traders in the derivative markets. This propelled Bitcoin into an upward trajectory as June 2024 upholds. So yeah, just with all the bullish market and the sentiment, they actually just have different price resistance and price target levels. So just showing just different points of resistance, support levels, and different things. Even looking into the chart, we actually can look into all-time high. This has a close above the weekly in between these support resistance levels as far as between 71,000 to 67,000. So like right now, we just been in the sideways kind of trend. But obviously, if it breaks above and it closes above that weekly, then we're kind of likely due for a soar. Obviously, if it closes below, but right now we're just keeping sideways. So just let you know, like a particular zoom out with the entire market. So if you actually zoom out, Bitcoin is on this all-time high, so and just trending above. So that just shows you just where we're at in a particular ecosystem, why everybody's feeling bullish. Just go over to the next point. So we just have like crypto influx, 2 billion in June. Ethereum sees best week since March of 69 million. So digital assets investments started positively flowing into June, with almost providers seeing inflows and recording of inflows of 2 billion. Coin showers. So it just shows just all the ETPs as far as just different that got added. Grayscale and just a lot of them that I mentioned from the beginning. So yeah, just definitely stay tuned for that. I know just even with Ethereum and Bitcoin, a lot of things just look bullish overall in the sentiment of the market. Institutional money, you got even celebrities, which I'm gonna cover a little bit later. A lot of different things coming in. So everybody is interested in crypto. It doesn't matter if you come from an entertainment point of view or institutional, regular, everyday people, just casual investors wanting to just take advantage of a ever-growing asset. Let's actually just look into the altcoins. I know you got Bitcoin sitting at 69,000. We actually can look at the refresh this page. Yeah, still sitting at 69,870. You have Ethereum 3691. You have Solana at 161. A lot of these different cryptocurrencies. You got Cardano, you got Shiba. So it's just like many different currencies sitting at particular price targets. I know Cardano's been kind of sitting around that 40 cent to 50 cent range for a while, and we can actually just go look at trending. So you can go just see what's actually trending on the ecosystem. So you have Super Trump. So a lot of political celebrity meme coins. So that's like the season we're at in a particular market. Very early, kind of reminds me of, well, definitely reminds me of last year's vibes. You just pay attention to those certain narratives, because in the crypto space, narrative sells. So you can just notice just within the pattern of the top trending cryptocurrencies, that's where the pattern leads. So actually, even going back, we can look at the largest gainers. We can also just check there and just see Chomp Coin. So I know that's a base coin. Alex looking into the L2s on Bitcoin, Frentech. So as you just see, you just look at all these different coins, you just like all these seem like random coins, but as you're in the market, you can actually just look and see what coin is tied to what ecosystem, and it didn't kind of make sense as far as the ever flowing liquidity. But you'll learn that as you just get familiar with the markets and get used to the overview in the ecosystem as far as just recording these videos. But anyway, that's the altcoin breakdown. So not financial advice. Always do your research, just talk within different communities, get to know people, just really really do your research, because you have to be thorough in here, because the market is very fast, and just how this thing be able to like parlay together. So one thing could be hot today, could be hot tomorrow. So move at your own risk, at your own pace. So just want to say that. That's the altcoin breakdown. So let's get into it. Let's get into Iggy Azelea, covering some celebrity tokens. Celebrity tokens is definitely going to be like a form of attracting people coming into the ecosystem, because even being on some of the spaces where celebrities will be on, where it'll be, you know, Andrew Tate, or be a Iggy Azelea, or Kylie Jenner, or whoever it is, just having your name relevant in the crypto space, that matters. Whether they talking bad about you, whether they fighting you to the ground, or whether they saying this, that, and the third, long as people are talking about you, that's the most bullish sentiment when it comes to like meme coins, because they don't have that much dimension to them, that much to them, outside of everybody wants this token, a FOMO, or fear of missing out type of thing. You have to just learn that, I mean, different dimensions, but also just leverage, like get out of the meme token, which you can actually leverage, which is capital, just getting out of your positions. But anyway, let's cover this. Iggy Azelea says mother tokens can be soon used to buy iPhones. Monthly plans purported on a mobile service provider cost $20 to $80 on Monday. Iggy Azelea token holders may use cryptocurrency to purchase phones. The move follows the mother merchant store as part of the broader effort to increase cryptocurrency utility and volatility, but overall positive since its introduction last month. Holders of the Azelea mother token may soon be able to use a viral cryptocurrency to pay for cell phone services. Development came back when the mother announced last week contributed to the Rapid token at the time. Tomorrow I'm finally relaunching the telecommunication company I co-founded, and you'll be able to purchase phones or 1 month cell phones used, mother or so, wrote on X. So a lot of different things. I ain't gonna read this entire article, but yeah, Iggy Azelea is trying to provide some level of utility to her token. Now, obviously, once again, not financial advice, but none of these celebrity meme coins, obviously the sentiment is gonna be bad until it's good, until like proven, because honestly, you really don't know. You don't really know whether this person's coming in scamming and being able to extract from people that's naive in the space and do not know. And then also you don't know whether it could be some true utility and a 1 in a million shot. So you just have to do your research like anything else. But Iggy Azelea brings utility herself, because she's bringing eyeballs and making crypto space attractive just by her mere presence being here. So that's utility alone. Anyway, here's another article. Mother tokens but meme coins are unaffected. According to coin market cap data, some of the year's favorite meme coins are taking double-digit losses over the week. Pepe told 17%, Bunk fell over 20%, and the book of meme coin fell over 20% over the past 7 days. Coins have no intrinsic utility, underlying value. Retail supply and demand mechanics for meme tokens are widely based on social media hype, which often leads to price volatility. So that's what I was saying before. It's just all about the social hype aspect of it, and just being in the space. You know, there's different things that you actually get from meme coins. You be able to meet somebody in particular meme coin that's a DJ, or might have access to a secret chat group or an alpha group, or just different aspects like that. So you also have to look at meme coins from a strategical networking perspective. What could I gain from being here? Is it people that want to get to the bag or make money? Okay, do they have some type of group or some type of Reddit forum that I could join or be a part of? So you have to also look at meme coins not just with it has no intrinsic value, I'm just here to make money, but also how could I use this point from a strategical standpoint and align myself with people that want to get the same goal as me. So that's another way that you could play it and also look at it. We can actually look. They actually had a breakdown. Experienced crypto traders get jittery in the jolt of PTSD when famous or almost famous individuals re-enter the space. Full of high air promises and token address, and history shows these often signals that markets are overheated, and short can be a top signal, just like meme coin pumps. Therefore, it makes sense for the celebrity class, crypto celebrity class of 24 comes with an adaptation, the celebrity meme coin. The latest craze kicked off in May 2024 of Caitlyn Jenner. Iggy Azelea created their own tokens, riding the wave of Solana-based meme coins, Donald Trump, Joe Biden, pump fund things. So meme coins is just basically another level of gambling. That's like the biggest translation for somebody coming into crypto or Web3 or however you want to title it. That's the easiest thing. I put my money in something, I'm gambling, I see the price go up or down, I can get that. So a lot of people understand that, and that's why meme coins and And celebrity coins are so attractive because it's the easiest relatable thing that most people start off with. So anyway, how it started: Jenner and mother take off. Media personality Kylie Jenner makes headlines in late May 2024 with the launch of a Jenner token on the Solana blockchain. It quickly reached a market cap of over 40 million, fueled by social media buzz, speculation surrounding Jenner's involvement not to be done. Rapper Iggy Azelea followed suit with the launch of her token mother. So as you just see, like, as more people, you can even see Rich the Kids actually going to get into it. Stay tuned for the official RTK token. I know that was matched. It could already have been launched. But yeah, there's so many celebrity coins, and like, don't let nobody fool you, even myself. It's impossible to keep up with every single celebrity coin, every single this, every single that. It's a bull cycle. There's so many opportunities, and like, it don't matter who you are, nobody can keep up with every single thing. Conclusion: I think the celebrity meme coin frenzy of 2024 has come to an opportune time for crypto sector by boards of months of sideways price action and generated significant hype and trading volume, making even meme coin trading more fun. While celebrity attention has the potential to bring positive exposure to the crypto space in the long run, projects must prioritize solid real fundamentals, establishing power within the landscape. So that's where you can see like different meme coins kind of evolve, dimensional aspect to them, like I mentioned before. The previous bull runs where you see where Shiba and Doge, and see how Doge has turned his whole infrastructure into like Elon Musk promoting it, potentially being used on Twitter. Also, you got Doge nodes, Doge NFTs. You got so many different forms of ecosystems. Shiba's got a metaverse, a whole ecosystem. So you can see meme coins actually bridging. So there could be some meme coins in potential that could be looking to not only capitalize off a pump, but also create a base in a particular blockchain or ecosystem, and also take advantage of that way, especially if they believe the overall ecosystem in the direction is a trending adoption rate, and getting in early, you could be able to establish a base or a flag already planted. By the time the masses come, they'll be in prime position. Things celebrity and meme coin scams. The influencer Mr. Thank You promotes his Beercoin and invites followers to invest. So Sergey Kionsko, I don't know if I pronounced that right, also known as Mr. Thank You, is promoting a crypto called Beercoin. Beers to his community, which will end up losing 99% of its value. So there he is right there. So I believe it's going to be a trend. I wouldn't even be shocked if Amber Rose decides to launch Amber token or Pussy token or whatever token that people want to put out or whatever. You see so much random stuff these days, so just be very careful as you get into the market. I definitely suggest knowing what you're doing if you're going to get into these type of plays and having a plan to get in and definitely get out. So actually we go over to Twitter. You can actually just see what's actually being tweeted, what's the latest. So we actually go over to this tweet. Crypto Twitter was full of emotions this week, from the highs of Andrew Tate getting into meme coins to the lows of a liquid cascade candle. It had it all. So, but there were some alpha nuggets and there was some hidden amidst among the noise. Here are the top 10 alpha tweets I read this week. I'm not going to really go through all the 10 top alpha tweets. I'll definitely drop the link in the description. But basically, you've been getting a lot of talk about Andrew Tate just getting into meme coins now that he's into roofs. So we can actually look at some of the coins that I was covering over. So let's actually go look into some trending celebrity coins and just go look at the SocialFi element of them. So we can actually go look. You can type in mother in the search. So you type in the actual coin, then you can see the latest tweets. This was an hour ago. So mother in NYC, week too big to fail. That's not really shocking right there. So Australian rapper Iggy Azelea has announced the relaunch of a telecommunication company, purchased phones and month-to-month sell plans using Mother on Soul. So that's the article that we just read. You can see somebody said, I have to keep it G. Get that Paul we all refer to Mother is destroying Andrew Tate at this crypto game. Misogyny is being decimated right before our eyes. This is some MLK I have a dream type shit that we are witnessing, y'all. Like and retweet. The show has the strongest community, and that's the main thing with celebrity coins is what's the latest, what's the last hour, how often is it being tweeted. That shows you the relevance of the coin, whether it's good or bad, as long as people are talking about it. So we can do the same thing with Roost. Roost is a coin that Andrew Tate is in, so Andrew Tate has officially become part of the Roost ecosystem. So Andrew Tate is officially just a part of the Roost community. So with him part of Roost, people are just saying making just different tweets over the 9 hour hours. Roost coin is making that triple bottom. Don't fade Roost. I've cleaned up the chart to make it simple as possible for everyone, step by step. Roost, who you think this wallet belongs to? Take a guess. Owns 2 million of Roost coin. We have a huge whale in our project. This wallet made 13 million profit so far from trading our meme coins. He's a top holder in Roost. When whales buy, you pay attention. So there's a lot more to this. Roost army is this bullish. So you can see a lot of people are posting about Roost. Same thing about Jenner. You can see, would you believe if I told you the same guy ran Caitlyn Jenner coin and tried to scam you out your shit? So Jenner is looking for a prime breakout. Andrew Tate called him out. Guys, be careful of this scammer. If you have Jenner on Solana, dumping now for the shield scanner dumps on you. So regardless of whether it's being flooded to the ground, as long as it's getting that exposure, like I mentioned before, that's what's really going to make the difference. But that's definitely for the market overview breakdown. I'm just going to be doing many more, adding different subsections and just different things added onto it. So just look for more features, look for more updates. We want to cover celebrity coins, the status of the Bitcoin and ETFs with the market. So the market, as far as with the conclusion, it definitely looks bullish. A lot of things just looking up with the catalyst of institution money, people eyeing in from the entertainment value, people coming in and saying, I'm new to crypto, I'm coming into crypto. You're starting to hear that a lot more. So crypto is becoming trendy, it's becoming a hot thing. And then also just pay attention as we get later and deeper into this cycle. But make sure you like, subscribe, comment, make sure you share the video. Stay tuned for all the latest videos that I'm gonna drop. And then also just make sure you join the Discord. I'll drop a link to all the links below in the description. Join the group. We'll definitely get your role, get you set up, and just make sure you just hit the link below. But anyway, this is Stu So Fresh. I'm out. Peace.